Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech and today I'm going to tell you about the Windows Phone. Why Windows Phone have been failed. And if you see the PC category, Windows is the best and most used operating system till now than the Mac OS or the Linux. But if you see the mobile category, there is no Windows operating system. Why? If you want to know more about this, watch this video until the end. So let's get started. First of all, in 2006 and 2007, the first Windows Phone have been launched and it became very popular. But later, in 2007, the first iPhone has been launched by the Steve Jobs and it changed the whole world. Till that time, all phones like BlackBerry, Windows Phone, etc. came with QWERTY keypad. But in the iPhone, that is the first iPhone, there is no QWERTY keypad and the full touch display. And you can control this iPhone with the fingers and there is no QWERTY keypad. So as there is no QWERTY keypad and you can operate the phone with fingers, there is no need of stylus. So the people thought this phone as a futuristic phone and they started purchasing it. After the first iPhone launched, the Microsoft company has started concentrating on PCs rather than the phones. They are more concentrating on the PCs and they're not concentrating on the mobile phones. Next year, in the 2008, the Android operating system came. It is the most used operating system till now and it became very popular when the Android operating system came. Android is an open operating system. So it is widely used by the manufacturers. The manufacturers no need to pay money to get the Android operating system. But if the manufacturers want the Windows operating system, they have to pay $23 to $30 to get the Windows operating system. So the Windows operating system did not become much popular as the Android operating system is free of cost. Most of the manufacturers have been using the Android operating system in their phone. App developers are also more for Android operating system and iOS operating system, but not for Windows operating system. Microsoft purchased Nokia in 2014 and they launched another phone, but it was too expensive and it did not become very popular. And in 2010, the Microsoft bought a new phone with a new interface called TICE model interface, but it was also not succeeded. It also has been flopped. First Android phone was HTC Dream. This is the first phone which came with the Android operating system and it was very popular. Windows last phone was Windows Lumia 950 XL. It was bought in the 2015. It also has been not been succeeded and it is also been in the flop session. And in 2017, the Microsoft has announced that we are no longer bringing Windows Phone. This is the last Windows Phone. So by this video, I hope you understand why Windows Phone have been failed. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, hit that like button and share it to your friends as much as possible. And if you have any doubts, comment it in the comment box below. I will definitely answer your question. Do subscribe my channel by hitting the AkhilanTech logo and clicking subscribe button. This is Akhilan from AkhilanTech signing off. Cheers.